Hey guys, morning. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching my vlogs. I love you all and you guys are awesome. So today I changed to my workout clothes. I've got hair mask on and I'm going to take a shower early in the morning after my workout. So yes, so guys, I told you that I keep missing my things around this house and I don't know how, but yesterday, believe me, I was looking for my tripod camera case and I couldn't find it. It's been missing for around 2 to 3 days and I was like looking for it and I was really serious yesterday. I was like, where the heck it went? I can't find it. So I kept looking all around the house and I couldn't find it. And this morning when I woke up, I saw this one behind that photo frame and I was like, what? It was there the whole time? And how the heck it went behind the photo frame, I don't know guys. It's weird, but I got it. Okay, let me tell you one thing. I have a very bad habit and I want to confess this with you guys. I have a bad habit of throwing things from upstairs to the floor, especially my dirty laundries. And seriously guys, it's so bad. Sometimes I knock out that flower vase over there and I have to rearrange it, and still I won't stop doing that. It's my thing guys. I don't know, it's weird or something like that, but I always do this. I just throw my dirty laundries right over there and pick it up when I go downstairs, you know. Here's an update for you guys. I have lost the weight which I have gained while my cousins were here, you know, around the Valentine's Day time. I went to see my mom as well and look at that guys. I just love it because I've been working out. You know, my weight is around 92 kgs now, back to 92 kg, but you know, my body looks a lot toner, and this t-shirt, it was always tight on me when I was 92 kgs and right now it fits me loose, you know. So working out does help. Definitely work out if you want to shed that extra fat and get toned. Look at that guys. So proud of myself and I'm going to start my workout right now. Let's put the hot water on. And guys, this is weird, I know, but my husband did this to me and I'm gonna tell you why. You know, there are two lights over here, one over here and one over here, and this one is for hot water and this one is for this light. When I first moved to this house, I used to always, you know, press this button thinking that this is the button for the light, and I was clearly wrong, and one day he just taped it. It was so much easier for me because now I know the one with the tape is for the hot water and without is for the ceiling light. My husband is the best. Can you see this guys? So worth it. 30 minutes of workout, 5 days a week, so worth it. I'm on my period and I'm not stopping. I'm still gonna do it and I will make it guys. Whew. Breakfast: tomato omelette, sausage and some toast. And I'm left chatting with my mom and my siblings. मजा मजाको खिच्छ। राम्रो देखेछ, कस्तो मजाको देखेछ, घाम लाग्यो। Just finished my workout, that means this is going down. So guys, म shower लिँदै थिएँ तल चाहिँ, अन्त दिदी आउनु भएको रहेछ बुद्ध लिनको लागि. I came out of the shower and I heard my phone ringing and I picked it up and it was Anta Didi and I was talking to her like, oh Didi, what's going on? How are you? And she was like, I'm downstairs upstairs. I've been ringing the bell for a few minutes and I was like, I was inside the shower. I'm so sorry. So I came running downstairs and opened the door, and she was in a rush. So she just took the Buddha and she really liked it. So yay. So guys, I just got ready and I love today's look. I went for super smoky eye and winged eyeliner with red lips, which is my favorite lip product at the moment. Kylie Jenner inspired liquid lipstick, which I really like. It's great for clubbing and parties, I believe. Love it. So right now I'm cooking my curry for my lunch, and look at this, it looks so delicious and I'm really excited to grow because I'm hungry. Lunch is ready and it's piping hot. So I'm eating edamame beans, peas and kauli curry with some pork achar, salad and rice. Look at that, it looks so delicious. Little mukbang for you guys. So good. I don't know about you guys, but I like to eat my rice with my hand and it tastes 10 times better. I shouldn't be talking while eating. And you guys know how much I love my tomatoes. I added frozen beans and soaked peas in my curry, and it's so nice. This pork achar is so good. I have uploaded a recipe for this one and it's worth trying. So I'm gonna stop filming over here. See you in a bit. Touch up complete. So right now I'm listening to Nepali music and editing my video, and oh my god guys, I am obsessed with my look today. I'm so proud of myself. Sometimes I amaze myself. I know. You gotta, you know, pat yourself sometimes. So guys, I want to ask you a question and I want to know, what are you good at? I asked my husband, he was like, you are good at doing things done, you know. You don't do it 100% perfectly, but you get it done. So that's what he said to me and I totally agree with him. That's exactly who I am. So if I have something to do, I just get it done, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be checked. And from my side, I think I'm good at cooking and taking care of my family. That's what I'm good at. Let me know what you are good at. I would really love to see your comments. So comment down below. Update time. Okay, let's remove this, and I want to update you about my piercing. Seriously guys, I am so impatient, and yesterday I tried to, you know, put a new piercing in this hole which I pierced recently, and and oh my god, I was so panicking because the earring which I was trying to put inside this hole was too big and I can't get it in, and I was panicking a lot because I was thinking now I'm gonna block this piercing, you know, and I have done that before as well, believe me. Look at my ear, guys, it's swollen so much. Oh, it's so painful, and the earring, it's kind of tight now. Look at that, it's so swollen. This is my left ear and this is my right ear, if you guys can see. Did you see the difference, guys? It's so bad, I don't believe myself again. This piercing is really ugly, to be honest. I wanted something else, but the lady gave me the wrong earring, so I was like, I'm gonna do it myself. I have plenty of piercing, I can change it to any, you know, and that was a bad idea. Do not try this at home, guys. You will regret it later, like I'm doing right now, cause I'm in such a pain. It's swollen and really warm. My ear is swollen, not just this area, but the whole ear is swollen right now. So be careful, try to be good, don't be impatient like me. Someone shared this post on my Instagram and I was laughing. Look at this picture carefully and you will know why I was laughing. So guys, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my videos, and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for more updates, and see you soon tomorrow. Bye.